Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 5, Section 2, Number 6, which reads, in the past, such research was limited by the weight and bulk of the fossils, as well as its preciousness and fragility. So what we see in our answer choices here are pronouns. Every time you see a pronoun, what you have to do is identify what's called its antecedent. The antecedent is a noun that the pronoun refers to or replaces. So, for example, if I say, Johnny went to the movies and he bought popcorn, he is the pronoun because it replaces Johnny. So Johnny is the antecedent because Johnny is replaced by the pronoun he. Whenever you identify the antecedent, you got to make sure they're both singular or both plural. You got to make sure they're clear. Anyway, so when we look for the antecedent, you got to ask yourself, what has preciousness and fragility? You should be able to read the antecedent in place of the pronoun, and it should make perfect sense. So the antecedent, logically, is fossils. I'm going to read it with fossils in place of the underline. In the past, such research was limited by the weight and bulk of the fossils, as well as the fossils' preciousness and fragility. So it makes sense that fossils might be precious and fragile. And fossils, notice fossils is plural. So we'd have to eliminate anything that's singular. ITS, the S does not make it plural. The S makes it possessive. So that's why A is gone. Answer choice B, whenever you see an apostrophe with a pronoun, always read it as two words. So I'd read this as it is. If I read it as it is, in the past, such research was limited by the weight and bulk of the fossils, as well as it is preciousness and fragility, does not make any sense. And then I'm left with the two forms of there. So answer choice C, there, T-H-E-I-R, is the possessive pronoun. Answer choice D, T-H-E-R-E, is for there is or there are or over there as in location. So that's the wrong form of there. Our answer here is C. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with pronoun antecedent agreement. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.